Magpunta kami mag-ikot kami doon sa may carousel. Ready ko lang yung tubig ni Kaden. Dalawang araw ata kaming hindi lumabas. Dito lang kami, nag-stay lang kami dito. Kasi nga kailangan ni Kaden magpahinga eh. Mag-ikot lang muna kami sa gate. Tapos mamaya mag-ano kami. Mag-catch up ng magulang niya. Dito na yung magulang niya eh. Nagpunta sila dito sa Perth. Kasi nga yung surgery ni Kaden sa next week na. Kaya pumunta rin sila dito. Tapos yung mga kapatid ko, pati si mama, pupunta rin sila dito. Pero sa Monday, sa Monday pa sila pupunta dito. Yung surgery ni Kaden sa Tuesday. Lakay ko nga muna yun. Mag-ikot lang muna kami. Mabuburyo na to si Kaden eh. Mag-iiyak minsan eh. Kasi next week hindi na kami makakapag-ikot-ikot. Kasi sa hospital na to siya sa next week eh. Matagal-tagal din siya doon.
Hi, my friend.
Siguro mga 2 weeks din siya sa hospital. Let's go.
Yeah.
From?
The top report I need. On the road.
Nalaro siya oh. Dali na.
We have to go. Come on. You turn that off, yeah?
Nalaro pa siya eh. Hinintay lang namin to si Kaden eh.
Okay,
Let's go. Westfield, yeah.
Yeah.
Related. Please drive onto a digitized road.
You think Justine, which is why you're in the running. Woo! Alright. Start dreaming. How are we staying is 26k, or better yet, where are we driving at?
Yes.
The big one is back until March 31. Get
Go now?
Finance offer across the M.
Go now?
Breakdown on the Mitchell Road northbound exits Hepburn Ave. Oil over the road as well. Lane closures are in place. Traffic slow going on. For a winter wedding,
Yeah.
remember forever.
Where are you going?
Switch to real
Bebe, where are you going?
exclusively available at
Carousel.
This one? Well, you,
Nakuha si Kaden.
yeah, no, you gotta wait until you.
The big one.
Yeah, but you're gonna get.
Ito, nakuha ni Kaden oh.
Okay, Daddy's doing this. Oh, you're not gonna be able to get.
Wow.
They're all hard to get.
Dito kami sa sa Woolworths. Magbili kami ng tubig. Busog ako. Wala kami ng tubig. Bili lang kami ng tubig. Wala na kami tubig.
Hey, that's good.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. That's it. Uwi na kami. Si Kaden tulog. tulog pa rin siya. Pahinga lang muna yan siya. Buksan ko yung ano. Buksan ko to. Wait lang, ilagay ko muna tong ano, stand ng camera ko. Buksan ko to. Galing kami doon eh. Bumili ako ng ano, 2. Sige din tulog pa. Ako na lang magbukas. Ito muna. Ano kaya to? Ang gusto ko dito, meron na ako nito eh. Yan. Sana yung makuha ko ito o yung ito, yung pula. Yung itong pink gusto ko. Tingnan natin. Ano kaya to? Excited. Ano kaya to? Hala, ang cute. Ang cute niya, oh. Parang candy siya. Ah, ito. Ano pangalan niya? Wild Rose. Hala, ang cute. Mali yung nahula ko. Okay lang. Pero ang cute niya, oh. Ang kulay. Meron siyang ganito. Ang cute. Lagay ko to. Yan ang cute niya. Buksan kayo isa. Dito. Ganda oh. Sana ito yung makuha ko. Yung ayan or ito. Pero ang cute nila lahat. Kahit ano. Buksan natin. Ano kaya ito? Tiny Bear Cookie. Hala! Hala, ang cute. Ang cute oh. Hala, ang cute. Look. Hindi, look. So cute. Yeah?
Did you get 2 different ones?
Yeah, different. This one, the other one. Look at the other one. Ang cute na. Ang cute oh. Ito mas cute. Makit naman silang parehas. Pero mas cute to oh. Ang cute niya. Kasi may damit. Nga lang. Ito. Yan yung kawitan nito. Yan. Yan. Ito yung kawitan niya. Kung gusto mo ilagay sa bag. Yan, ang cute. Nasaan na yung bag ko? Yan lang dun. Ilagay ko sa bag ko to. Ito ko siguro ilagay. Palitan ko to. Ito yung unang-unang nakuha ko. Ang cute-cute din niya, oh. Siguro ipagtabi ko sila. Ito palit ko. Ito namang dalawang to, nakuha namin doon. Manikay din tong isa. Yan. Ito naman nakuha ko. Yan. Yan, ang cute. Ang cute niya, no? Wala lang, share ko lang. Ito, ilalagay ko sa isang bag. Pagsasama ko sila. Nagkukulay nila ang cute, no? Lagay ko sa isang bag ko nga. Dito ko sila nilagay. Ayan. Yung binili ko nakaraan. Ito. Tapos yung ito. Okay din, tulog pa rin. Ayan. Patulogin lang muna yun siya para makapahinga. Try ako mag-edit ngayon. kami kumain ng ano namin dinner. Punta kami dito. Hi! Magano siya? Mag-treadmill dito.
Right here.
Walang tao ah.
There is look like.
Hi! Maglaro daw si Kaden dito. Diyan lang yan si Kaden. Mag-upo-upo lang ako dito. Pa? Upo-upo lang muna ako dito.
I'm holding.
Maliwanag. Ang dami kong nakain. Ang dami binigay sa akin ng pagkain. Yung pagkain dito, libre lang. Tapos siya, ang daming pagpipilian. Si Kaden lang ang naglalaro dito. Ito, ang ganda nito. Lalaro kami dito minsan ni Kaden eh. Yan o. Yung palaruan. Ano bang tawag dito sa laro na to? Arcade. Yung arcade. Happy pa ang Kaden. Doon sa baba naman, yung parang yung pwede ka mag-color-color. Tapos magbasa-basa. Ayun, yung sa baba.
I want to play her.
Walang kalaro si Kaden eh. Tingnan natin si Joshua. Okay? Ayan lang siya. Siya lang dyan. Ito naman, para sa mga baby. Po? Ano po yon? Baby.
Where's the spotlight?
Ang haba ng tulog ni Kaden.
Mommy,
Pa?
here. I'm always
Siguro naka 2 hours and a half siya. Kasi nagising siya mga 4:50.
Someone play Minecraft.
Opo, someone.
No.
Ba ng tulog niya eh. Upo lang ako dito, baby. Komportable tong couch na to. Baby! What happened po?
Oh, guys, get up here.
Tuwan-tuwa to oh. Tuwa ang baby ah. Ano pinapanood mo? Ay, nilalaro mo, baby. Yung nilalaro niya ay yung Donkey Kong.
He's getting the own one. He needs.
Tuwan-tuwa naman yan.
Mommy, mommy, I gotta get it, mommy. Oh, give me bread, mommy.
Wow. Oh!
He got
Nilalaro niya eh. Tuwa siya sa nilalaro niya eh.
my friend.
Pabayaan lang natin si Kaden dyan. Masaya naman siya eh. Upo lang muna ako dito. Ang sarap naman na ito.
I told you, really inside.
Doon yung hospital. Oh. Kitang-kita lang dito. Yun o, yung green. Lapit lang. Parang may ginagawa sila sa baba eh. Yan. You okay? Hindi siya oh.
Kaden.
Nag-ano siya. Lalaro.
Reggie.
Nandiyan ka sa kwarto.
Baby.
What's that?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Is it monkey? Spider.
Spider.
Chicken.
Chicken. Banana.
Okay. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
No, I saw right here.
Okay.
There's a frog. And I saw right here. There's a like a red knife. Cow.
Hindi yan cow.
Pig.
Pig.
He said that. He said ladybug.
Ladybug.
Mama, he said look like in the sun. He said in the sun, Mommy. The
Sun.
ocean.
What's that?
No, he says in the sun.
Dolphin.
The dolphin in the sun?
Yep.
I can see something right here. Elephant.
Elephant.
I said that. I built my own gun.
Hmm?
You know
Really?
the gun? You know the gun, Mommy? You're hanging. Yeah, you're hanging.
Mhm.
You want a tiny gun?
Okay.
Your tiny gun.
Okay. Give
I'm
it to
gonna
me.
build you a look like one,
Build niya daw ako ng gun.
and I'm gonna give you this one. It has no part.
Mhm.
Only one.
Mhm.
I'm gonna build you the awesome, the look like that's some tiny gun in the world.
Oh. Really?
I need this. And it's gonna be the awesome one in the world. There we go. There we go. You need a phone. You're not having a phone now. You
Mhm.
need to get your own phone.
Guys, okay
This
din
phone's
maglaro.
gonna be like this. And you do this. And your guns. Your gun, Mommy.
Thank you.
You can hang now.
Gun daw to. Pew, 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 pew.
Zombie.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Whoa.
Kulit ng gun, oh. Gun daw to. Ara. Gun daw. Naggawa siya ng ano. Galing naman yan. Gun daw.
And a seed.
Hi. Mhm.
There's one part. The wings. I kind of the neck. I neck the wings. I'm gonna neck it. And I don't need this. I don't need them.
Mhm.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the seat and this is the driver's seat. This
Mhm.
that's the seat. And this is the driver's seat. It's gonna work, Mommy.
Okay.
Look at this. It's gonna work.
Mhm.
Oh, turn off. Not working. Maybe I need that. It's the driver. This is the driver. Goes. I'm gonna let the whole wings down. That's not the airplanes. That's the wings.
Wings yan. Saan ako dito? Dito ako.
No, that's the wings.
Sige, saan ako po? Dito.
There.
Okay.
That's the seat.
Sit. Okay.
I gonna do.
Drive na.
I need that's the toe wings. So maybe I need to do a wide.
Hindi pa ka dito. Dito na lang. Dito. Ito yung
What?
Ito yung wings. Tapos, dito ka mag-drive. Tapos, wings yan. Oh, see? Dito, dito, ano mo. Dito, dito. Yan, yan, yan.
Toe one. How you built this? This is gonna be the seat.
Yeah. Sin ko lang yung nilaro ni Kaden doon. Opo, wait lang po. Tanggalin ko lang tong inano mo.
Mommy,
Baby.
feet. I don't want to go in this airplane. I don't need to clean that. That's somebody's. Don't ever clean that.
Why?
Don't ever do that. This is my gun.
Yeah, that's your gun.
Mommy,
Baby.
what's wrong? There's no hole. Mommy, look at this. There's no hole. It's super hot. I'm happy first.
Balik na kami sa room namin. Kasi alas 8 na ata. 7:30 na eh. Ayaw pa ni Kaden magano. Dali na, baby. Dali na. Dali. Come on.
No, no, open.
It's too late.
Okay.
Come on.
If I'm gonna be so mad, I'm gonna go down the floor.
Open mo.
Go deep. I told you that way. It's too dark.
Yan.
Turn off this. You're gonna move.
Nakapantulog na kami ni Kaden. Maya-maya matutulog na kami.
I'm gonna move these.
Opo. Inom ka muna tubig. Inom ka muna tubig.
Only one.
Thank you.
There you go. One faster.
Oh, tingnan itong batang to. Oh. Susurong tong batang to eh. Super strong boy. Paano sa'yo ng ano?
No, no, no. No, no, kay.
Ay, paano daw? Paano yung sayaw? Paano? Alala, ganyan yung sayaw noon? Paano daw? Ayusin mo. Paano yung sayaw? Ganun yun eh, ganun no?
Look like this.
Ganyan. Paano?
Mommy,
Dali.
do it. Mommy, do it. Do it. Do it. No, mommy, do it like this.
I like that. Like that.
Right? In the other one. In the other one.
Ikaw na. Malaglag ka. Baka malaglag ka eh. Other one to. Ganyan daw yung dance. Paano yung sayaw? Lululululu.
Okay.
Oh, bang dance niya daw yun.
I can say Mark.
Oh,
He said Mark goes on the road. He can't hear that. He said Mark goes on the road.
Parang, pero yung nakasulat marker. Marcos ba yun?
It's not Marco. He's a tree. He's a tree that monster.
Opo.
He can throw rock and he can punch. You can see that?
Opo.
He punches. He can punch.
Patulugin ko na to siya maya-maya. Babay ka na muna. Sabi mo,
Bye,
bye guys.
guys.
Sabi mo, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Mom and cry.
Bye.
Bye.